A programming language uses control statements to cause the flow of execution to advance and branch based on changes to the state of a program. Java's program control statements can be put into following categories. First, selection, second, iteration, and third, jump. We will study each of them in detail. Selection statements. These statements allow you to control the flow of your program's execution based upon conditions known only during runtime. They are of 5 types: if else, nested if else, if and switch. They are similar to those we used in C and C++. Let us see an example in Eclipse. maths.java. I have already created this file. This program will illustrate the use of if-else. We can see there are two numbers, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Let us run this program. The output is 20. The maximum among 10 and 20 is 20. Next is iteration statements. Looping is a process by which we can repeat statements n number of times. Iteration statements are of 3 types: for, while, and do while. You can see their syntax in the video. A for statement consists of initialization, condition, and iteration. While loop only condition, and do while loop also consists of condition but will be executed at least once. Now let us consider an example. We can see an example for loop. We have for loop statement n equal to 10 is initialization, n greater than 0 is condition, and n minus minus is iteration called decrement operator. Now let us run this program. We can see the output as value of take from 10 to 1 in decrement order. This was about iteration statements. Now let us see about jump statements. What are jump statements? These statements transfer control to another part of your program. They are of 5 types: break, continue, return, labeled break, and labeled continue. We will understand this with an example in Eclipse. In the following program, we have used break. In the program, there is a for loop starting from 0 to 100. When I equal to 10, a break statement is there, that is, program will break. Let us understand it with its output. Our for loop was from 0 to 100, but we can see that the loop has broken at 9. This is how break works. We are done with control statements. Thank you all. See you soon in our next video.